So we're gonna end up just having a beach day instead of going to the market. So yes, come to the beach, beach with us. Time to go to the beach. Oh, waiting. So right now we're waiting for a taxi to come take us to
the
beach.
Friday.
How do you feel?
Blessed this morning. Be here. Yeah, it's a beautiful day outside. But it's not really like evening, but in the morning. Going to the afternoon.
So we're gonna relax. Fridays is usually my self-care days where I just don't do anything and I focus on what I need to do to rejuvenate my body and our bodies. Jamaica! Hey, we got our taxi! Taxi time.
Jamaica.
We made it to the in town, in the market, and now we're going to the beach. Here you guys can kind of see what the market looks like. I should probably. Okay, guys. So this is the town square. This is where the groceries and stuff is. It's not that busy, but it gets really busy.
What?
Oh. Oh.
Busy and busy. It's busy and busy signal.
So around the corners where the beach is gonna be. Come with us to the beach. Huh?
No, my father. No, my father. Just right up on the beach, right?
We already made it to our destination. To our destination. You guys, it's really beautiful.
Cut more, you see more
around here.
They are planting the body with a seafood.
Baptize me. Put me in a water jar, put them set me free. Oh, I will never be no thief or no jar. Rastafari is all. Make everybody see. are almost to the beach. Almost to the beach. Almost to the beach. Every one of them is to them alone.
Every day me have to go down and mind me and let me see.
We are almost to the beach. Beachy, beachy, beachy. Beachy, beachy, beachy.
On them send me on. Them all look this year and things are thinking about that night. Let me see. Let me see.
What are you doing, baby? Quick stop. Quick stop. Quick stopping. I'm just telling him to just get your number because I want to go to the river and then maybe, you know, because this is your work, yeah, get his number. The river, yeah. Mm-hmm. He's just talking really quick, but we made it to the beach. This is like the square. Pretty nice. I love it. So clean, so nice and fresh. So fresh and so clean. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Down. No, thank you.
Anything you come back out, don't care. Here. Yeah, man. Listen. There, see them to your home.
Look at these little cute shops.
Jaja City, Jaja Town. Yeah. Embarrassing and singer them. No longer my friend, you know, babe. My friend. Years.
Did he go to school with you?
Yeah, I was like, yeah. He maybe like maybe a couple of years older though, you know?
Mm-hmm.
We know each other.
We're almost to the beach. We're basically here, but couple more steps. One step at a time. Oh yeah, so wait. We're gonna go see his fish.
No.
Did you say fish or shop?
Shop, yeah.
Okay.
Gonna give me a stiff of burn, man. He's my friend, you know, man. We used to car like that, but when I used to live up by where that same guy with the taxi,
Yeah.
in the car, we all know each other like that.
Nice. It's really nice when you like reconnect, especially with like old friends or like people that you haven't been able to connect with. Yeah, that's really nice. Oh, guys, we're here.
Yes, we are here. And we are here.
We're here.
Everything.
We made it. Made it to the beach. Look at how clear, crystal clear the water is. See, I would rather come here than the other ones. The other ones is like not as clear. Yeah. We made it, guys. I'm so excited to lay to
Yes,
lay
we
on the
made
beach.
it. We made it past the worst. Me not in a no calf valley, down in a no earth. Yes, we make it. Yes, we
I wanna lay in the
make it.
sand.
I'm not in a no calf valley, down in a no earth. You know me and me baby girl past the worst. We make it.
Finally,
Yes, we make it.
made it to our destination. We're gonna park right here under this tree, and then we're just gonna relax right here.
Yes, we are fight the battle for your class.
Now we can go in the water. We made our little picnic, or not a picnic, but we set up our little station. We're gonna just relax in the water. Yay! What do I like about Jamaica?
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Okay, that's it. What else?
The environment
Okay.
is amazing.
Okay.
I love the environment.
What about the people? How the people treating you in Jamaica?
It's been very, very interesting.
Okay. You can say.
Okay, so first landing in Jamaica, I would just say the interaction that I had with the local people was very, because I didn't feel like I was being welcomed. Like the mean mug, the facial expressions, it was a lot for me. But I'm getting to understand that, this is just how it is. This is how the people are. And I shouldn't really take it too personally or allow it to, just throw off my energy in any type of way.
Okay.
But anyways, let's enjoy the beach. I love
Okay.
Jamaica. I love the environment.
Okay.
Come on, baby. Are you gonna go in the water?
Yeah.
Oogie.
I want some of the water on my back and stuff like that.
On your face. Oogie. Okay, time to go in the water. Oh, it's not that cold. Come here, baby. Come here.
Give you a hug. You want a hug from your tug? You want a hug from your tug? Baby girl, you seem so bright.
So pretty. I love it, guys. Let's build a snow. Let's build a sand snowman.
With our mental health. With our mental issues.
Huh?
I must be the one to help her with her mental issue. She has problems, a lot of problems.
No, you don't.
You see, you did want to help her, motivate her. You did want to motivate her and stuff. She don't want to give motivation.
Yeah.
She just want to lay down in the room with that, with that ugly guy.
Yeah, and then live a fake life on social media.
Catfish.
Seriously.
She catfish and
I was like, what the hell? This is not her. Isn't that what I said? I did not believe that was her until I swiped.
Babe, look at the crab.
Where?
Here.
Can you get in and bring it over here? We found a crab. Wait, it's not coming? Get it, baby. Here, let me bring it. Is it still there? We found a crab. Let's go check it out. baby? It left? It's right there. Isn't that it? Aww.
I'll see you here.
Oh! Did it bite you?
No.
Oh, the crabby! You want to use my shoe?
Yeah.
Did you get it? We're gonna catch a crab. Here, baby. Crabby! We caught a crabby! Crabby, crabby, crab, crab, crab. Oh, it's stuck. Oh, it's a blue. What is it? Holy moly. It's holding on. You want to let it free? You
But I want to wash my food.
want to let it free? You want to take it and cook it?
No. Too small.
It's a mom.
Yeah.
It's a female crab. Blue crab. Yee! We caught a crab! Yay! How exciting. Nice shrimp. It's okay, I'll do it this way. I was gonna do it this way, but I'll do it this way. Hi, Strawberry. I'm gonna see you on Friday, Strawberry. Look at how beautiful you are. Look at your skin, Strawberry. Look at your hair, Strawberry. Oh, you're so pretty. I love you.
Man, I do this with me.
I love you. Oh my gosh! Look at me and Strawberry. We're best friends now for life.
For some
Oh,
people want treat.
I'm gonna see you. I'm gonna be here for 3 months.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'll see you again, Strawberry.
Yeah, man. There now, I'm going to just
Love
stay
you.
and do it
I
like
love
this.
you. Oh, let me see your tail. Oh, look at how. Oh,
No, she not just kick her like that.
yeah, no, we just bonded. Strawberry knows
She's
me.
good.
Look at Strawberry's tail. Oh, you're so cute, Strawberry. Love
Respect you,
you.
bro.
Yeah,
But
you're right.
from here.
It's okay, Princess.
Yeah,
I'm
man.
gonna
Love
see you
you.
around, alright?
Next Friday.
Just say hi to us on WhatsApp.
35. We're just gonna relax for the rest of our beach day, and yeah, thank you guys for joining and viewing with us. We'll see you later. Bye, guys.